healthy home starts with healthy air. Breathe easy with an air treatment device. Choose from an air purifier, humidifier, or dehumidifier. First, air purifiers. A game changer for those with allergies, these use fans and filters to draw in and clean air before circulating it back into the room. The latest models capture up to 99.97% of ultrafine particles and allergens, as well as gases and bacteria. Certified HEPA filters are best for keeping ultrafine particles trapped. Air purifiers blitz odours too, for a home that smells fresh and clean. To discover how fast a purifier works, check its clean air delivery rate. Devices with higher rates clean the air quicker and more often. A rate of 300 to 350 is ideal for a large living space. And for ultimate comfort, look for a purifier that heats and cools too. A split-system air conditioner with purifying features will also do the trick. Humidifiers. These release fine water vapour to boost moisture levels in the air. Great if you've got dry sinuses and skin, chapped lips, cold symptoms, or allergies. Ultrasonic humidifiers are whisper quiet, making them perfect for bedrooms and home offices. Cool mist humidifiers will help chill hot rooms, but during winter, a warm mist humidifier is the way to go. Better yet, choose a model that does both. Or perhaps a dehumidifier is the one for you. Designed to suck sticky moisture out of the air, these are ideal in humid climates or homes. They also filter and trap pollutants before recirculating clean, dry air. Rain got you hanging the washing inside? A large capacity dehumidifier with a laundry function will give you extra fast drying. Ready to go shopping? The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.